Reference parameter. It is the parameter that passed to a method by reference or address. It holds memory address instead of value. Therefore, any changes on the parameter inside the method will be maintained. So when we use reference parameter, when we want to keep the value of parameter that change inside the method, how to use this? We will use the keyword ref in both method declaration and method invocation. So let's see the following example. This is the previous example, but now we don't use value parameters anymore, but we use reference parameters. So in the method declaration, we put the ref in front of the data type of the parameter that we want to make that parameter becomes a reference parameter. For example, in here I put ref in front of number 1 and I put ref in front of number 2 because I want these two parameters will be passed by reference, because I want to keep the value that change inside the method. So everything just similar, except for we put ref in the method declaration, and when we call this method sum2square, when we pass the two value in there, we have to put the keyword ref as well to let the compiler know that this variable, this parameter, this argument is passed by reference. So what is the difference in here? So this is the result. The value of number 1 is 5 and number 2 is 4 before we call the method sum2squares. After we call the method sum2square, the sum of the two numbers is 41, but the value of number 1 is 25 and the value of number 2 is 16. So you see that the value of number 1 and number 2 that change inside the method still be kept when we call it in the main method. So these two parameters, the values of these two parameters change inside the method will be maintained.